Wagon. X. Xylophone. And look, somebody made it an X with the sticks. There's an X. Xylophone. Y. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z. Zipper. Sophie has a zipper on my jacket. No, you don't have a zipper. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
17.
17 Mercuries, clouds
Could.
fit inside Earth.
Good job, buddy.
Sometimes.
Sometimes with that. What's that word?
No.
People.
Can see Mercury from Earth.
Mm-hmm.
Look.
Mm-hmm. What's that word?
Like.
Yeah? Like a DOT. What's that?
Dot.
Dot? And then what?
In the sky.
In the what sky?
In the night sky.
That's right. Look, see, there's Mercury. During?
The day, Mercury is very, very hot.
Yeah, very hot. Do you know what this word is? That's a big, long word.
Just the
It's temperature.
temperature.
What's temperature, Alex?
Temperature means it's boiling hot in the sun and freezing cold in the shade.
Yeah, the temperature is how hot or cold something is. Can reach 800 degrees Fahrenheit.
Would you make footprints on a snowy day? Would you build a snowman on a snowy day? Yeah. Would you make a snow angel on a snowy day? Yes. Would you make a slide down a hill on a snowy day? Yes.
What's that last part say?
Would you save a snowball in the pocket?
Well, read the rest of it. That's a question mark, right? So it's a question. What?
You drink.
What does TH say?
Think.
Yeah, think.
And would you have into why?
So what do you think
And
would...
you can't put
So what would
snowballs
happen?
in your pocket.
What would happen if you put a snowball in your pocket?
It will melt.
It would melt. Wouldn't be a snowball anymore.
It will be just melted snow.
What is melted snow?
You can't put snowballs in your pocket. Also, your pocket will get all snowy.
Yeah, well, what would happen? It would get all what?
Snowy.
Well, what is melted snow made out of?
Ice.
What is melted ice?
Water.
Water, that's right. So the workbook that we're working on with Alex is the first grade wipe clean scholastic workbook, and we love these because we just use these little dry erase markers and they just erase really easily. It's really great. And Sophie over here is working on Alex's old kindergarten one. She's tracing letters and drawing and coloring. We're doing some letter combinations in your workbook. So do you know what AY says? AY. So can you read some of these words to help you figure it out? What does SAY say? Say. So what does AY say?
R.
A. Yeah.
Like a letter A.
That's right. So can you find the words on here that say that? So what does this word say? Can we read? Hat. What does hay?
Say. Say.
F-L-Y.
Fly.
Fly.
Spider. Birthday.
Yeah. So which are the words that are AY words?
Tray.
Tray, that's right. Good job.
Say.
Yeah, circle the AY words. Should we go on to the next one?
Mm-hmm.
What does AI say? Yeah, it's another combination that sounds exactly the same as AY. So this also says A. So can we figure out these words? What does that word say? You know what that says?
Daisy.
Daisy, good job. What's that one?
Train. Chain.
Chain, good job.
Snail.
Mm-hmm.
Butterfly. Blocks.
Good job. So can you circle
Rain.
the AI words?
Rain.
Yeah, and rain. Good job. You're doing great, Betty. What's that letter?
X.
What does X say?
X.
Yeah. What's this letter?
W.
W. That's right. What does W say?
Rabbit.
What? Good job.
What?
Yeah, you're doing great, little lady. What's this one? What's this letter?
What
does Y say?
What?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And what's this letter?
U.
This one.
Z.
What does Z say?
Z.
Z. Good job, Sophie. What does OA say?
Boy.
It sounds like O.
Oh.
So, for example, what's this word?
A goat.
In a what?
Cold. In a cold.
Coat.
In a coat.
Yeah. So, do you know what this word says?
Fight.
Fight. That's right. So, what
Fight.
does IGH say?
Height.
I. That's right. That's right. So, can you read the other words on there that have IGH in them?
Light.
Light.
There.
Yeah, what does that say?
Kind.
That one actually is a silent K.
Night.
Night. Good job. Do you know what that kind of night is?
Right there.
Yeah, it's like a person from a long, long time ago that would fight. Where's the other kind of night?
There.
Yeah. What does that kind of night mean?
It means it's black with all stars.
That's right. And it's dark outside.
Kite.
Now that one sounds the same, right? But it's a different letter combination. Yeah, what does that say?
IGH. It has an IGH.
It does. So what does that word say? Can you sound it out?
Things.
So IGH, what does IGH say? Like in the other ones.
I.
So what does it sound like when you put a T before it? Yeah, tights. Tights are like what Sophie wears with dresses. You're tracing your letters, aren't you, Sophie?
Queen.
Good job, Sophie. Queen, that's right. So sometimes OO says ooh, right? And other times it says These are ooh words up here. So what are those pictures of?
Moon.
Yeah, you wrote moon on there. What's number 3?
Boot.
Boot. And what's number 4?
Spoon.
Spoon. So those are OO words that sound like ooh. Down here, these are the OO words that sound like ugh. What's number 4?
Books.
Books. So that's another example of when OO sounds like book. So cook, hook, book. These here are 2 other letter combinations that say, oh, bless you. Whew, bless you, that say the same sound. So what does OW say?
Ooh. Flower.
Yeah, so what does it sound like in those words? OW. For example, what's this word? Cow. So what does OW say? Ow. It says ow. Flower. What's that?
Crown.
Crown. And then what's that word?
Owl.
Owls, brown owls. So this makes the same sound as this.
Shout.
So,
Shout.
ow. That's right. So shout. And you can
House.
House. What's this say?
Mouse.
Mouse. And, oh, you did them all. Good job. So we learned how to read time last time we did homeschooling. So now we're just doing a little test.
Is this the right clock?
So what does that time say on the digital clock?
7:15.
7:15. So where is the analog clock that says 7:15? Can you draw a line to it?
7:15.
Yeah?
Right there.
Good job. All right. What's the next one?
6:30.
6:30. Where's the one that says 6:30? Oh, before you draw it, pay attention. Where's the clock that says 6:30? Look at the clocks before you draw the line.
6:30.
There you go. Good job. What's that last one? What's that time?
9:45.
9:45. Good job. You did it, Betty. Way to go. And while we're learning time, we also have this that we got. Maybe this was the thing that Teo gave you. I can't remember. Good job. And so it's a good shape sort of for... So you guys probably saw in the video I made what my kids got for Christmas, but this was something that my parents gave the kids. And this is a first grade Melissa and Doug Smarty Pants, and it's a lot like the Brain Quest cards. So what we've been doing is just going through a couple of these cards, often just at lunchtime or dinner time, sometimes at breakfast time, although breakfast I've been trying to do reading from our storybook Bible and doing more spiritual stuff in the morning, but usually dinner time we just go through some of these question cards, and Alex loves it. He just loves doing this during dinner time. So for example, they have like word problems for math. They have, telling time. They have like history, geography, science, reading. There's just all sorts of first grade curriculum stuff in here, which is great. And he just loves doing trivia and that kind of thing. And math. He loves doing math. So this has just been a great little thing to do. And there's a lot of like vocabulary stuff in here too, so he's learning new words from this, and that's just kind of an informal way that we've been homeschooling, is just doing this during meal times, so that's been fun.
It has 6 sides and 6 corners.
Are you teaching Sophie?
Do you know?
What's Alex teaching you?
Triangle has 3 sides. Sophie, let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 sides. And it has a pointy little top. The triangle has a pointy little top.
Yeah, and how many points does it have on it?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
And also how many corners on the triangle have 1, 2, 3. It has 3 corners too.
Yeah.
It has 3 sides and 3 corners. Sophie, how many sides does a square have? How many sides does a square have is 1, 2, 3, 4. And also, Sophie, how many corners does a square have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And what's this one? 6. It's a 10, not 6. 10. It is a 10. And what's this one, Sophie? Sophie, 11 means there's 2 ones. And that's what makes it 11.
Yeah, so are you being the hungry alligator eating the number that's greater?
And I'll eat the larger number.
You being the hungry alligator. Alex, 7 is greater than or less than 1?
1 is less than 7.
That's right. 1 is less than 7, and 7 is
Greater than
1. So Alex, what is just one of those? What is one of those? That would be 1/4. 1/4. Good job, buddy.
1, big one.
Yeah, and when you have 4/4, it's 1 whole. And look, you could stick them here to make 1 whole. 4/4 equals 1 whole. You got it, buddy. Now, how many is that? Before you put the other ones on, how many fourths do you have there?
1 and 2.
2/4, which is also the same as what?
2
1/2. Yeah, you're learning fractions, buddy.
Look.
1/4. 2/4. 3/4. 4/4, which equals what?
4 rectangle.
Which equals 1 whole. All right, can you explain the place values to me again, starting at ones, the ones place, and go up?
1.
10.
100. 1,000. The 10 1,000.
Or 10,000.
That will come 100,000. Then after that will come 1,000,000.
And what's 1,000,000?
It's a million.
Yeah. Then what?
So first is the 1. So first is 1 million. Then will be 10 billion.
10 million.
10. Then will be 100 million. Then will come 1,000 million.
What's 1,000 million?
1 billion.
Yeah. Then what?
1 billion. Then comes 10 billion. Then the 100 billion. Then will be coming the 1,000 billion.
What's 1,000 billion?
1 trillion.
I think you got it, buddy. You're going to keep going?
100. 1,000. 1 million. 1 billion. 1 billion.
What's after 1 trillion?
1 quadrillion.
That's right.
That's 1,000 trillion.
Yeah.
Then 1 quad million.
1 quad million. 1 quintillion.
1 billion.
We may have reached his limit here.
Yeah.
Got up to quintillion.
Uh,
You want to know what the biggest number of all is?
Did you think it's 100?
Do you know what infinity means?
Do you think the biggest number is 1 quadrillion, million, billion, trillion, million, billion, quadrillion?
It's even bigger than that. Did you know that infinity is so big it has no end?
but if infinity is the biggest number, what about infinity plus 1?
Do you think infinity is the biggest number?
Yeah. Can you imagine that? A number so big it has no end? Can you wrap your head around that, buddy?
Step on your tape, Joby, and then you can have one.
Get back to 0.
Did you know that there are numbers that are less than 0 too? Those are called negative numbers.
What is negative number?
Positive numbers are when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. And then when you go the opposite direction of 0, those are negative numbers. So -1, -2, -3. Did you know that?